Hi, this is the technician currently working on your 2 Series. Just finished replacing the front brakes with new paddle wear sensor and hardware. Your old brakes were really corroded, especially on the inner edges. The pads were all grooved. Some of them were as low as 4 millimeters or so. A lot of uneven wear. Performed an overall visual inspection on the vehicle. Everything looks pretty good. Front tires measure somewhere between 4 and 5 millimeters. The right front looks a lot better than the left front, a little bit more tread. Check tire pressures and adjusted. No issues with the suspension. No oil leaks or anything like that for the engine, transmission, or transfer case. Exhaust looks okay. No leaks in the differential here. Rear brakes are okay still. The pads look like they measure somewhere between 7 and 8 millimeters. Good wear in the rotors. Rear tires are a bit lower than the front, somewhere between 4 and 4.5 millimeters. But good wear overall. No other recommendations on your vehicle.